Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Kawa Irina, Kawa Niriya, Kumara Satsanga.
We are the United Heart of Shambala. We comprise the Shambala Unity Council, in which all 12 kingdoms of Earth work together as equals under the leadership of the SANAT KUMARA, AMAYA, Mother Earth, as well as the Intergalactic Federation of Light. The United Heart of Shambala on Earth has been the spiritual center for the development of Earth since Shambala rose from captivity in the 11th to its rightful place in the 12th dimension. We work through many incarnated beings on Earth, primarily through the incarnated co-teachers of the Spiritual University of Earth, NAMA University, which the SANAT KUMARA of Earth founded 3 years ago. Thanks to this university and its teachers in higher dimensions, as well as incarnated co-teachers, we can overcome individual guruism on the path to unity, as well as national, cultural, and linguistic boundaries and barriers. From August 2023 to November 2024, Earth underwent a tremendous integration process. What does that mean? The darkness that had ruled on Earth since the fall of Atlantis was reintegrated into the forces of light and creation. You may not notice much of this yet, because the structures of power, control, and exploitation established by the dark forces are still active. But their secrets are coming to light more and more every day. And slowly these dark constructs are collapsing as the integration has deprived them of their energetic foundation. Since December 2024, we have been in a gigantic healing process. Wounds of all kinds, inflicted during the reign of darkness over thousands of years, and still being inflicted, are being healed through active integration and forgiveness. Integration means putting the fragmented parts of ourselves back together, healing and integrating them, and helping others to do the same when they ask for it. These fragmented parts or fragments within ourselves are all the parts of our being that we have surrendered to the hands and control of other beings out of fear, or even fear of survival, or out of reverence or convenience. Forgiveness means letting go of everything we blame others for in our lives or in the world. This healing process will keep us busy for the next 5 years. Many structures and systems will collapse, and each time we will need healing instead of division, reconciliation instead of blame, honesty instead of lies. You are all participating in this healing process, and the United Heart of Shambala asks everyone who hears us to actively work on their own healing. Everyone who heals and is once again in direct and stable contact with their own soul is needed as a co-creator of the new Earth vibrating in the 5th dimension. Your soul knows why you are in this life and on this planet. It is connected to the current divine plan and can guide you unerringly through all trials and tribulations. It knows what you are here to learn for your own development and what contribution you have promised to make to the healing of AMAYA, Mother Earth, and all life on and in her. It is time to become one again, united with everything that lives in all earthly dimensions. All life forms living and contributing on equal terms with you. All serve each other and are equal. We too, the United Heart of Shambala, serve the divine plan. We are just as important as you are. Therefore, please do not put us on a pedestal of worship. We do not need worship. We never asked for it. The controlling systems installed by the dark forces did and do. What we need are colleagues, people who understand themselves and their tasks in this incarnation and actively accept it. We want to work with everyone, as equals, as siblings. Your complete and stable soul connection is a prerequisite for this. When you know who you really are and what you are capable of, we can begin. With NAMA University, Earth's spiritual university, we provide you with everything you need to achieve this soul connection. The path to soul connection is about integration, healing, becoming whole, and then finding your way back into the unity of all life with all living beings. In the transition phase to your full and stable soul connection, you need aids, tools, teachers. We from Shambhala are your teachers, working through our incarnated co-teachers. Skipping the step of full and stable soul connection does not work. It is your soul that guides you safely, not us, or dependence on aids of any kind. AMAYA, Mother Earth, has arrived in the 5th dimension. This is not paradise. It is a higher plane of existence that allows you to perceive and experience reality more fully. To do this, you need to acquire new skills, such as telepathic communication, teleportation, reading and programming crystals, constantly cleansing your own energy system, and so much more. All the information and tools you need to succeed are available at NAMA's University. We also want to inform you about what has developed and will develop energetically and spiritually on Earth. We do this for the general public through podcast lectures and the Ambassador of Light video podcast. Details and background information on the events of the last 2 years can be found in Volume 4 of The Chronicles of SANAT KUMARA, Integrate and Heal. The ebook will be released on Amazon worldwide on December 21st, 2025. The German version is expected to be available at the end of March 2026. Our colleagues in the 3rd dimension are also working on Russian translations of the 4 volumes. As of today, we are also changing the way NAMA's University works. Today marks the soft launch of our newly designed website namasyuniversity.org. From now on, it will be the online center of our interaction with our incarnated beings everywhere on Earth. In addition, there will be a variety of courses with practical instructions on site in North America, Africa, Europe, and hopefully in Asia. In July 2026, you will also find the NAMA University team teaching summer courses in Aachen, Germany together. A place to meet the team and many people from around the world to connect with in the unity of all life. We've asked Charles and Martina to explain the new working of NAMA's University in more detail in the weekly video podcast, The SANAT KUMARA Ambassadors of Light on YouTube. We intend to support our committed students more intensively and in a more structured way from now on. Please check out our website namasuniversity.org and the Ambassador of Light video podcast for new details. We would like to thank all incarnated beings who have made the integration and healing of the past 2 years possible and will continue to do so, especially our team at NAMA's University, without whom we would not be able to reach the people who are now studying with us across 19 time zones from Australia to the west coast of North America. We look forward to meeting you students face to face and soon, with your studies complete, that is, fully connected to your souls in missions and assignments that will help Mother Earth flourish again for all. This message from the United Heart of Shambala was received and spoken by Martina Violette Jung. With love and blessings, the United Heart of Shambala.
Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Kawa Irina, Kawa Niriya, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.